So Maisha, next question for you. How do you integrate the Mocha awesome report with Cypress? And
Oh,
why do you use it basically?
okay. Basically, integrating Mocha Awesome Report with Cypress involves configuring the Cypress setup to generate detailed and visually appealing test reports using Mocha's reporter. In the last Beacon crash course with Cypress, we have automated project and we integrated Mocha Awesome Report with Cypress to enhance the test reporting capabilities and install the Mocha Awesome and Mocha Awesome merge package and update the Cypress.json configuration to specify Mocha Awesome as the reporter. Additionally, configure the reporter option to generate consolidate HTML reports, and this integration provide clear, comprehensive, and visual appealing test reports, making it easier to analyze test results and share them with the team.
Okay, so in some point